Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can translate a specific portion of your web page in Google Chrome. If you're reading an article or say browsing a web page in a foreign language and you don't know what that language means or you don't understand the language, then you can translate that specific portion of the web page into the language you understand. In this example, we will use a Hindi to English translation. So let's see and understand the problem. For example, I will first open a Hindi article. Now, here you can see that this article is in Hindi. Now, for some reason, if I want to translate this particular portion into English, I can do so by selecting this particular portion of the article which I want to translate. Then you need to right click on this selected article. And here you can see the Translate section to English button. Simply click on this button. And here you can see this is the translated version of this particular selected part of the article. You can look back and you can see that this has successfully transferred or translated the particular text to English. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.